going on? Today is Sunday. It's about 12 o'clock. I'm about to go outside with my dad, cut the exhaust, put that on, do a quick oil change, and take the car for a drive. I'm having a couple issues with my laptop. I gave it to my friend Pedro. He downloaded Final Cut Pro again for me because I deleted it by accident like an idiot. But Final Cut Pro was giving me an issue where I wasn't able to export the video. Like I wouldn't be able to master file save it. Every time I click on it, Final Cut Pro would just keep crashing. So of having that issue, he downloaded it again and it's still doing the same thing. So I gotta give him the computer back, and I think he's gonna do like a full wipe on the computer because maybe you know, something got corrupted in the computer. So right now I'm literally, well, the last video you guys saw, I literally edited off my iPhones because I know how to like send the clips from here to my iPhone, edit my iPhone, which is like literally takes me like 15 minutes. I'm about to start doing it again on my iPhone because it's so fast. But yeah, so I'm going to start with my dad right now and let's get the day started. I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick. Let's get it, guys. Dude, it's literally November and it's like 75 degrees outside. This is crazy. Look how bad my lens is. I gotta like go to the light. I'm about to eat this quick bacon, egg, and cheese. You already know. Get to work. Hopefully I get to take it for a little test drive. Yeah, I should be able to though. I think like right here. Right there will be perfect. Right there. Right there. There you go. Going sideways. Alright, about to head to the hardware store right now. Pick up a blade. The blade we got is not good enough. So I'm about to do that real quick. Come back. And I don't really care too much about the way this exhaust is, because this is like a regular cheap exhaust weld up. With this next build, my friend Ben is gonna come. He's gonna do like a full professional fabbed up exhaust with me, with the car and everything. So looking forward to that. But for this car right now, like I'm not really concerned about doing anything crazy because everything's gonna get switched out anyway. So it's just gonna be a waste of money and a waste of time. I got the car in the front. I'm gonna put the exhaust on. This car is fucking, oh my god. Car is dirty, this shit is. Yeah, this little piece we're gonna put on for now. Alright, so tighten up the manifold a little bit. As you can see, that's the piping right there. It's facing like towards the block a little bit, but I mean, you guys can see it's facing right there, but it's gonna do for now because it's the only way I could put it. It's not really gonna do anything anyways. It's just gonna shoot through it. It's not just gonna blow a hole through the block. So, but yeah, now I'm gonna do this quick oil change and wash this car because this car is filthy. And then probably just take it for a quick little spin, make sure everything's good. No, it's Wepa. Oil is draining. Let it drain off a little bit more. Should be good. It's perfect. But it's gonna go down anyways right now. Alright, fresh oil change. Should be ready to rock. camera is doing it again where it keeps turning on and off. Gotta jump the car because the battery is dead. So I haven't driven this in a while. I'm not even gonna say a while. Long fucking time. So yeah, I'm gonna jump it. I think I'm probably gonna drive it first and then come back and wash the car. Alright, use my CRV, we jumped it. This thing has a whole nother tone to it now, listen to it. It's because of the way the exhaust is like literally just like this much, so it's like all turbo noise right now. Well, not turbo noise, but it sounds like if it doesn't, it's basically like if it doesn't even have an exhaust. That's why when you see cars with like up pipes and the turbo's right there, it has a totally different sound than mine, because mine actually had some pipe into it, so the noise was a little bit quieter, but I like it though. Well, I'm vlogging off my phone right now. I'm gonna do this for just like the good old days. So, yep, it says camera lens doesn't get recognized, but it's not bad. This has wide angles, so whatever. But you guys can see that's where the exhaust is at right now. Like right there. I mean, it's good for right now, so letting it warm up. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Yeah, back to recording on my iPhone. Better than my fucking camera right now anyway, so yeah, whatever. Camera's done. Well, not the camera, it's the lens. The camera fell by accident and fell on the lens. Like, see how clear it is? This is how my camera's supposed to be. At least I got the iPhone 11 and it ain't that bad. I'm getting the 12 actually on Friday too, so it's just so annoying. Like when you want to get other stuff, like now I gotta get a camera lens. Still gotta get a whole bunch of other shit for this car too. Alright guys, so this is the first guess test drive real quick. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Just wanna make sure everything is good. Thank you, man, thank you. Wanted to make sure everything is you know, running good, running the way it's supposed to run. So probably do like one. I'm not gonna do like a full pull. Just gonna just like ease into it. Definitely sounds louder because of the way the exhaust is. It sounds good though, I like it. It's making me want to do up pipes now. I don't know. Might do some up pipes. Listen to it, this sounds so good. Like it sounds so good. Listen to the turbo. Spot I like to come to right here just to do, you know. I said I'm not gonna give her all she's got. Maybe, I don't know. But I just want to make sure everything is good, so I don't want to fuck anything up, you know. I guess let's do second. See how second feels. Oh, okay. Nah, I can't do much. There's family. There's like a father with his daughter right there. I'm gonna just give it a little pull. Alright. She's good. She's good. Definitely ready. Alright, she's good. All I wanted to know. And I just heard a major fucking flame come from underneath the car. As much as I like the way it sounds, I'm gonna still fix the exhaust. Or I might just make the dump go all the way to the bottom, but I think I'm gonna fix the exhaust though. Well, the line didn't work. This shit is leaking oil. I put the little oil pan there to catch the oil. See, actually you can see it dripping. It's leaking from the line right there. I believe so. All right, so it's leaking from right here. The hose is good. I guess it pulled out from there. So I have this fitting downstairs, so I'm gonna just use that fitting next week, make it smaller, angle this one probably up, and then so it could just go straight down. Look how rusty this turbo already got from the water.